Python with AI， 从零基础开始，通过4级进阶到 AI。
Hi, my name is Karen. I'm currently in level 2 of Mr. Guo's Python with AI class. I just passed level 1, where we learned things like modules, turtles, loops, and so much more. I like Mr. Guo's classes because he's a very good teacher. His course outlines very clear and organized and always teaches his material very thoroughly. Whenever we have questions, he always patient to answers, and every week we also have a homework question session where we can ask help for anything. My favorite part of the course is at the end of a level where we are put into groups to accomplish a group task such as making a game or analyzing a large amount of data. All in all, his courses are very interesting and challenging, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Happy coding!
组织孩子们进行团队项目，学会抽象思维、分析和设计能力。
My name is Chris Tsang, and right now I am learning PWA level 3 with Mr. Guo. I really like the PWA program. Like, it starts right from the basics and it goes way up to the advanced stuff, and it lays down a really good foundation.
Firefighters Python pre-level 3 project presentation. Okay, so as you can see, the window pops up and I press go. So see, as you move, I can shoot the fireball. And also, see, and it destroys the cars.
So I really like this program. So if you like coding, and even if you're a beginner, you should start out and join this program.
Hi, in level 2, I'm currently learning how to add, create, and put input text into files without even opening them. I am also currently learning how to analyze data using VS Code. What I like most about Mr. Guo's lesson is that he's patient and inclusive. And during the lessons, he creates small quizzes to ensure that we're paying attention.
Hi, I'm Lily from Mr. Guo's level 2 Python class. Firstly, we get a lot of freedom. So basically, we get a lot of choice on what platform we can use, and he basically leaves everything to our own hands, which as teenagers, we really enjoy having this freedom and choice. Secondly, we also get a lot of choice in our coding. He doesn't really restrict how we manage our code. As long as we get to the end product, we are fine, which I really enjoy considering that we can spread our imagination and creativity. There's always something new and exciting to learn about in his classes. We get taken step by step, which is quite simple, and we really understand the concept at the end of the day.
通过项目展示，提高孩子的表达能力和自信心。
Hi, my name is Ryan Fang, and I'm currently a student of Mr. Guo's Python with AI Level 3. Throughout the course, I gathered many useful skills, such as coding and working with different mediums of technology. This program greatly enhanced my ability to problem solve and analyze situations. Some things I really enjoy about this course is that the pace is perfect and the work is always manageable. I created a Discord server for the members of Python with AI, and it's always great to see everyone cooperating and having a good time. I plan to continue my journey with Python with AI.
通过编程，激发孩子的创造力和好奇心。
So basically for the playing game, we decided to make classes for this one. So you now have the enemy class and then the sound management.
Hi, I'm Caitlin Zhang, and I'm currently learning Python with AI Level 3 with Mr. Guo. For the fire hydrant analysis, the requirements are to load the JSON file into the Python dictionary, and then to calculate the distance for each fire hydrant. How did we design the key features of the program? My favorite times of class are when we expand on the background of coding or the specific topic we are on.
Hello, my name is Tony. So I've been taking this class for a few months now and I really enjoy it. So there's 2-hour lessons and there's a break in between. You get to learn a lot, such as creating mini games and creating a graph. There's some projects you could do with some group mates. We created games such as Hangman and Snake. We have created a graph about how much people got infected with COVID each month. There's some homework at the end of class you could do.
I'm currently in level 3, which means I've been learning for quite a long time. I really did learn a lot of things about computer programming, such as game design and website development and many more. My favorite part of this course is the diversity of its assignments. We really get to work on a lot of different projects and touch on basics of many other areas, such as cybersecurity. Personally, I really like Mr. Gold's teaching style because although it's very slow-paced, he explains everything clearly and makes sure that we understand why is it that we're writing each piece of code.
So my favorite part of the class is the teaching style because I find it's really, really effective at helping you learn the concepts of coding. Because like the presentations are really concise, they're really well put together. The coding activities are also pretty fun. And overall the class isn't like a normal coding class. It's not boring, but it's not overly saturated with so much fun that you stop learning. It's a nice balance.
I have learned many things in Python class. I learned how to use Python in real-life scenarios. This includes the fire hydrant project and the coronavirus research project. Last, I learned how to create basic websites using Python and Django mixed together. I think that Python is extremely useful for the future.
Hi, my name is Felix. I'm in grade 10 and I've been taking Python with AI from level 1 to level 3 currently. So overall, I really enjoyed taking this course. I started Python with AI with zero background knowledge, but now that I'm in level 3, I can confidently say that I'm familiar with all aspects of Python code as well as web development using Django. My favorite part of this course would have to be the projects because there is a big creativity aspect to it. Once you get your code to finally work, it's really rewarding and like satisfying. Overall, I really enjoyed this course, and I definitely recommend this course to anyone who is trying to get into coding and web development.
Hello, my name is Juliana. I am in grade 7 and am currently in the level 3 course of Python. I have started in the level 1 course of Python at the beginning of August in 2020. Throughout these 3 courses taught by Victor Guo, I have learned about the different functions of Python, simple games, and websites. The classes are very interesting and thorough with step-by-step instructions on how to complete the homework.